Welcome to Ghetto Fame TV Network. I, Tabele Jenshitz, Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, o supporter Julius Malema. This is after he went to X and post his post. So the post I posted like bona enale 1 day ago, yeah, 2 day, it means it's still fresh. So I don't no. I don't beat a free forum. Mo re ema le CIC wa rena, so di-comment di re a boa vele ke kgale ntse re nyaka gore o boe. So we don't know gore maybe time o mo spacing se e leng gore o na no boela ko EFF, or maybe o no re a no ka re ke badi yaka Malema, even though maybe go diragetse 1 2 3 mara still ke sentsane ke mo supporta, or maybe time re tla mmona sooner or later a boa ka mora EFF. We don't know. Comment down below. Sorry for voice yaka ke tshwere ka boroko bo bongwe. It's 10 a.m. I mean, it's 10 p.m. when I am so get to robala. Danko.